The meal that I'm going to prepare is full of zesty flavor, ginger and coconut. If you're looking for something that's light, tasty, and refreshing, this recipe is perfect for you. Preheat the oven first to 200 degrees Celsius. This is convection, so I'm going to turn on the fan for even cooking. If your oven is not convection, just use the bottom heat. I will be using Philippines local salmon. It has a semi-firm and milky texture. Squeeze some lime juice all over the fish to brighten the flavor. Lime or lemon work well to counter briny flavors present in the fish. Season it with salt. Salt and acid balance each other. Freshly ground black pepper. I'm going to fill the cavity with ginger, onions, and some slices of lime. Pour some olive oil, both sides of the fish. Using a sharp knife, score the fish by making vertical cuts. The fish is almost 1 kilogram, so bake this in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. While the fish is cooking, we can start with our Asian vermicelli noodle salad. Soften the vermicelli noodles by covering it with boiling water. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes or until tender. I'm going to drain the noodles. Now for the dressing, add the fish sauce, lime juice, rice vinegar, brown sugar, slices of red chili. Now if you want spicier, you can always add more chili. Ginger. And chopped coriander. Whisk everything together. Pour the dressing all over the vermicelli noodles. Mix well until the noodles are well coated with the dressing. Just going to season it lightly with salt, just a little bit of salt. Mix it again. I'm going to check the seasoning. So delicious. The seasoning is perfect. It's really good. Now, You can serve this warm or cold, and I like it cold, so I'm going to chill this in the fridge until the fish is ready to serve. I bake the fish for 35 minutes, let it cool down before transferring it to a serving dish. While the fish is cooling down, it's time to cook the lime ginger coconut sauce. Turn on the heat to medium. Add the olive oil. Heat it for about a minute. Add the onions. Saute it just for about a minute or until the onions are softened. Add the ginger. And saute it for a few minutes. Time to add the fresh coconut milk. Slices of lime. And a few slices of red chili. Now, if you don't want your sauce spicy, you can remove the chili. And I'm going to lower the heat. Cover it and simmer it for 5 to 7 minutes or until the sauce is thickened. Okay, my sauce is already thickened. Season it with salt and a bit of pepper. Give it a good stir. Turn up the heat and cool it down for 2 to 3 minutes. Our sauce is already cooked and the fish has been cooled down. Transfer the fish to a serving dish. Pour the sauce all over the fish. Garnish it with some slices of lime and fresh herbs. I transfer the vermicelli noodle salad into a serving bowl. I'm going to garnish it with fresh coriander leaves and some slices of red chili. Okay, now here's our baked fish with lime ginger coconut sauce and Asian vermicelli noodle salad.